Hello friends, I'm standing on Offa's Dyke. Day 26 today. The day didn't start very well because I had some technical issues, which meant that I had to go back down into Knighton, down that massive hill, and then climb all the way back up again. And it's been a day of hills, lots of hills. Every time I've summited, I then had to go down into a valley and then back up again. So I've done nearly 3,000 feet of ascent in just over 12 miles. And it's been hot too, but I'm not complaining about that. I have an audience of lambs and sheep tonight. My campsite for the night. Another great view. And there's the tent waiting for the sunset. Let's have a look at some of those hills, shall we? This byway was one of the few relatively level sections today. I reached the halfway point on Offa's Dyke path today. Only 88.5 miles to go to the other end. There are 111 steps up this hill. I suspect this graveyard is for all the people that don't make it up this hill.